Hi everybody, it's Derek here. Today I have with me this mrbeast Crunch Bar by Feastables. It only has 6 ingredients, and this bar is 2.1 ounces in weight. Here's what the package looks like. Nice orange and blue colors. Flip it over to the back. You have the nutrition facts label right here if you want to pause to read through that. Comes with the ingredients list at the bottom, 170 calories. Expiration date right here, easy to find. QR code for other things. It's a good little bar. And here's the crunch bar itself. You have a portion on top that you can break off easily to share with your friends or family, and all the way down here to devour it. I like the wording on that. I also like the squiggly lines on it. Got a lot of Rice Krispies pretty much in the back for the crunch. This is a very well-made chocolate bar. It tastes great. Melts in your mouth. I love it a lot. Give it a try.